22 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. 4 goes into this 2 how many times? 4 goes into 2 0 times, as 2 is less than 4, so 0 times 4, 0 times 4, 0. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down the next digit. 4 goes into 22 how many times? 6 times 24, which is greater, so 5 times, that gives us 20. Right, 5 times 4, 20. Subtract, we are getting 2. So our answer is 0, 5 means 5, remainder 2. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. Our answer is 5.5.